Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Mojave 4S 6S.
Perfect.
This ain't no comparison. It's always a comparison. But today I'm out here. I want to run both these rigs today because I had to fix my Mojave 6S because it had a servo problem. So some parts was loose. And this one, man, this thing actually, the 4S hasn't broke on me yet. Just like the 6S Mojave, it took me at least almost 2 years into running this car to finally break something. This is Arrma's most sturdiest cars out there. One of the sturdiest, if not the sturdiest out of Arrma lineup. I want to bash these bad boys today, see if I straightened the servo out all the way, even though I know I did, but I just want to further test that. So without any further ado, oh yeah. Yeah, the suspension, I do need some suspension tuning on this. I haven't messed with this suspension in a while. Got that castle up in here. Yeah, I love how this thing moves, man. Yo, this thing doesn't play, man. I wonder if I can line this up from all the way back here. Probably. Nah, I can't even see the daggone car. Stuff get broke. I'm gonna hit that little spot right there, see where that launch it.
Perfect.
Oh, this castle is killing it in here, man. But yo, look at that. I like this loose suspension, but I do need to tune it, man. It's too loose. I just like how I drop in the back. If y'all notice, I do the remember when I first started the hobby, I had a car that went 35 miles an hour and I could have swore it was moving. But when you advance, I mean, it probably wasn't even going that fast. I'm just giving it credit. Too much credit. Now, in this stage of the hobby, 35 miles an hour is so slow. I know I'm doing almost the same routine all the time. Because these leaves really got me limited. Yo, this thing is crazy. And another thing, this is the only car they didn't do yet. I may get this if they do this over, because mine need a whole new rebuild basically. It's still good though. It's still good for the most part, but I would get this if they made a new clipless body. I'll get the whole thing. Yo, yeah, the servo is on point, man. My steering now is on point. I haven't really got this kind of drive out of my Mojave in a while. Had so many things loose that I did not even pay attention to. Now she is on point. Will I get rid of my old Mojave for the new one? Probably not. I should, cause it's like I did so much to it. Holy cow. That would have been tight if I'd have landed that. That would have been crazy. What happened? Oh, I got that castle in there. That might be a little warning that I'm getting hot. Can you stop? It's going to do it again. And you definitely got to pay that some mind when it does that. Because I got a couple castles that they're burnt out. The motor burnt out. You see, she did it again. She's hot. Yeah, she hot. Let it cool off, and I'm gonna take it to the car. I don't know if y'all can hear it beeping. These, I normally do that when it overheat. So I'm gonna just take it to the car. And she going over there. Like, where you going? But all right, let's pull out the 4S. Oh yeah, I got it on 50%. Even throw it on 100. Even though it's kind of moving slow. Y'all know this is my side wheelie car. Yeah, this suspension a lot better. Oh, not because of the car performance, because I need to do my job. That's why it's better on this car. That is the only reason we racing FedEx. thing is a beast. Yo, not gonna do too many.
Perfect.
Hard smack right there. These are not jumpers.
Perfect.
Yeah, let me stop that. I'm gonna wind up breaking something. Sound like it's almost hitting concrete. Had a little freeze there. I hope I got that footage. Now my GoPro 12 haven't let me down the whole. I had this thing for a year. I didn't have it for years. Wasn't even out for years. Had this for like a year. Once I learned how to work it, never let me down, but I'm gonna let y'all know which one is my favorite, the 4S or the 6. Hey, yo. Parts, man. They'll hit me all in my dang going chest. Very easy to control. I don't know what was going on earlier. What was going on with this earlier? It just would not work. Ugh. I thought that this plastic drive shaft, the way you hear it in the car, I thought it wouldn't last this long. Like I said, this car hasn't let me down yet. This is one of my go-tos too also. If I keep that up, it won't be.
Yo, check this out. Say so cool.
Pagué, no vine pa' perder, eso es lo que quiso, lo hago retumbar.
I'm running both these cars on CNHL batteries, 120C. This got a 8,000 milliamps and 120C. I'm not, that is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about there.
Oh, not good.
Our coloring is off now. Okay, what are you scraping on? Oh my goodness. Perfect.
Excellent.
All right. Alright, I'm all done, man. Now I'm gonna let y'all know which one is my favorite. It would have to go to the 6S Mojave.
Flawless victory.
Well, not really hands down, but 6S Mojave is my favorite. The 4S is a monster. Don't get it twisted. Don't have a problem with it. But the 6S one, I've grown to love a lot more because of the stuff I did to it, how long I had it, the durability. Now I had this for a while now since it came out, and it hasn't let me down. But the 6S is way more powerful. It's bigger. You know, big size don't really matter. I just love the Mojave 6S. Love the look of it. Love the performance, the shocks, the steering. The 6S got a bigger place in my heart. But in the comments below, let me know which one would you prefer, the 6S or the 4S? Or do like me, get both.
Perfect.
But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Oh.
Perfect.